Okay, so Chef June is back in the kitchen today, going to make this amazing chicken noodles, Filipino style. I'm going to be jumping in with a little bit of English. Let's get started with the master.
Mabuhay! Welcome po muli sa greatfilipinofood.com. Ngayon, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo kung paano magluto ng sotanghon gisado. Ang sahog po rito ay manok. Siyempre, pwede rin ng hipon or baboy. Meron po ako ditong quarter na manok, which is kailangan, chachap nyo lang siya ng maliliit para mabilis po siya maluto. Bell pepper, cauliflower, soy sauce, spring onion, salt, ground black pepper. Yung ating mong carrots, kailangan julienne cut lang siya. Again, maliliit lang at maninipis. Sotanghon noodles, chopped garlic, kailangan din natin ng lemon juice, chopped ginger, at oyster sauce. Siyempre, kailangan din natin ng tubig at cooking oil.
Okay, so we've got a nice large wok there. We're going to start off by putting in some oil. Thank you, June. And then we've got the cauliflower, which we're going to drop in. We're going to stir fry that for about 2 minutes, and then we're going to add the carrots and the bell peppers. Cook them for another couple of minutes, and then we're going to take it out, set it aside, and move on.
Okay, nakita naman ninyo, naglagay na tayo ng mantika. Yung hardest na matigas na ating gulay, kagaya ng cauliflower, ipa-pan fry lang natin siya ng mga 2 minutes. At pagkatapos po, susunod po natin yung ating carrots at bell pepper. Tapos, isa-set aside natin siya at pupunta na tayo sa ating next step. Ayan po, okay na yung ating cauliflower. Lagyan na natin yung ating julienne cut na carrots at ang ating slice na bell pepper. Kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, 1 minute lang, tapos set aside at mag-i-start na ulit tayo mag-saute ng ating garlic, ginger, onion. Kasabay-sabayin na natin siya mamaya.
Okay, so the vegetables have now been removed and set to one side. Chef June has just put some more oil in there. We're on an above medium heat, by the way. It's going to be fairly hot. We're going to start off by adding the ginger and the garlic. Is that correct?
Yes. So ayan, tinabi na natin yung ating gulay kanina. Unahin natin yung ating luya at ang bawang. So hintay lang natin siyang mag-brown. Tapos po i-add na po natin yung ating onion.
Alright, so we're just going to fry that until it starts to turn brown. It's only going to take like 1 minute. And then in go the onions. Okay, so you can see that the garlic and the ginger's now turning a nice brown colour. In go the onions. Sliced onions here, which we're gonna just stir fry these in just for 30 odd seconds or so. And then we're gonna add the chicken. Once the chicken goes in, we're gonna cook that for about 4 to 5 minutes. Again, we want to get a nice bit of colour onto the chicken.
Nilagyan na po natin yung ating sibuyas. Luto ko lang siya ng mga 20 to 30 seconds. Lagyan na natin yung ating chopped chicken. Ngayon, yung ating pong chicken, lulutuin lang natin siya ng mga 3 to 4 minutes. Gawa ng kailangan mag-light brown siya. Mag-produce siya ng konting mantika. Tapos po, pupunta na tayo sa ating next step.
Okay, so we've got a little bit of colour onto the chicken now. It smells amazing, by the way. So next up, we're going to add soy sauce. In that goes. Followed by the oyster sauce. A little bit of lemon juice. Some water. And then a little bit of salt and pepper. And then we're going to cook that for 5 minutes.
So tatagalogin ko naman po. Naglagay na ako ng toyo, oyster sauce, lemon juice, paminta at asin, tsaka tubig. Papakulo natin siya ng mga 5 minutes. Kailangan po maluto ng maigi yung ating chicken. Pagkatapos po nun, ilalagay na po natin yung ating sotanghon noodles, spring onion at ang ating pan-fry na vegetables.
Okay, let's be going for about 5 minutes now. Next up is the noodles. They're going to go in and they're going to cook again for about another 5 minutes.
Niluto na po natin yung ating chicken. Pinakulo natin siya ng 5 minuto. Ngayon naman yung ating sotanghon noodles. Hahayaan natin siyang i-absorb niya yung liquid. Lulutuin lang uli natin siya for another 5 minutes. Pagkatapos, ang panghuli ilalagay na po natin yung ating niluto na gulay.
Okay, so as you can see, the noodles are cooked now and absorbed most of the water. So there's only a couple more things to put in, and that's the vegetables we done earlier. In they go. And the green onions. And just like a minute or 2 minutes max, stir that around, and then June's going to stick that on a plate.
Ayan po, pumunta na tayo sa ating last stage. Nilagay ko na yung ating pan-fry na vegetables at ang dahon ng sibuyas. Lulutuin ko lang siya ng mga 2 minutes, tapos po ready na po siya for plating.
Okay, and that's it. That looks fantastic. Well done, June.
Welcome, sir. Okay, maraming salamat po sa panonood ng howtogreatfilipinofood.com. Napakasarap po nito. Gayahin nyo lang. Screenshot nyo lang yung mga ingredients, tapos punta na kayo sa market. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay! Mabuhay! Siguro po nare-recognize niyo yung boses na yon. Ako nga po pala si June, yung voice behind sa howtogreatfilipinofood.com. Maraming salamat po sa pagsubaybay sa aking mga followers, subscribers sa aming channel. Dati po, naalala ko pa, sabi ng boss ko, maka 1 million views lang kami, hahalikan niya raw ako. Pero ngayon, nasa 100 million views na po kami, kaya napakasayo po namin ng aking boss dahil na-reach namin yung 100 million views. Kaya nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyo, sa aming mga viewers, sa mga nagko-comments, good or bad comments, okay lang po yun, natural lang po yun. Kaya sana po, tuloy-tuloy po ang pagsubaybay ninyo sa aming channel, sa howtogreatfood.com, howtogreatfilipinofood.com. Napakatagal na panahon na namin ginagawa ito. I think mga 7 years na. Pero continuous lang, consistency lang, ika nga. Kaya na-reach namin itong 100 million views. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo. Sana walang bibitaw at mabuhay.